So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. CJ here. So I just noticed when I'm editing this video that I'm about to upload, that you're about to watch, that I didn't have an intro. So this is the intro. So welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about cleaning, and a disclaimer, by the way, if you are somebody who wants to judge basing on the things that you're going to see in the video, the dirt, the situation and everything, you're welcome to judge, but I don't think your opinion will really count. So you can as well log out at the moment or stick around and get bored and get pissed at it. Anyway, cool. So in the video, you're going to notice that I wear a mask while I'm washing. That is because the amount of dust that was in this house was crazy, in my kitchen rather. So I wore a mask, and then at some point I removed it. Then what else did I want to say? That is my reality. I've noticed that so many people are doing cleaning motivation videos, and it's like they're cleaning already clean stuff. Like, I don't get it. Is it because their houses are big and they have a lot of space? Anyway, it might be a reason, because when you have a lot of space, then you have a lot of time to move things around. I have very minimal space. That means things get to cramp all together in one place, and then it's very hard to get into those spaces on a daily basis or a regular basis, because at the moment I'm really held up with a lot of things, so it can be hard. But when I have the opportunity, I normally do so. But since now I have made space, it can be easy for me to clean up. But I don't understand this whole situation of, I upload a video of a cleaning video, people don't watch it as much as they would watch videos of people who have big houses and big kitchens. And I don't know what people want in this life. Like, people don't like reality, or I don't know, but that is my reality. I'm proud of it, and the reason why I'm sharing this journey is because I know that I'm not going to be in the same place for so long. So I'll always look at my videos and be like, imetoka mbali, like the Lord has brought me from far. So yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy this video. I don't know if I'm forgetting something, but I don't want a long intro. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you like more of this kind of cleaning, because I have a lot of cleaning to do and I'm ready to share, and a lot of revamping I need to do, and I'm ready to share. So see you guys. Enjoy this vlog. This is my current kitchen situation. Like, I don't like it because there's no space for me at all. I cannot access the oven without moving these buckets from this place. And then I need to change that dish rack. I don't like it. This shelf, I need to reorganize things. Like, I just need to come up with a different kind of setup. See, I need to fix that chimney down there. I need to clean. Like, it makes it so hard for me to do deep cleaning in the kitchen because of the space, and it's annoying. That is gas. I need to find a place to put the cylinder. I also need to find a place I need these sufurias to move out of there. And then here, I don't know if you guys can see, there's this box right here. This one, it has my sufurias that I've never used, and I really want to use them. I can't use them because they have glass lids and I have nowhere to store them. So that's why I want to do a little bit of modification. Try and put some shelves around this place so that I can get like space to put the sufurias and everything. And then I can also be easy for me to move, because I want to move everything that is here. I want to get it out. So I need to move the utensils so that these buckets can fit there, so that I can have this space. Then figure out this situationship right here that I don't like. And then also I'll be able to access my oven easily. Yeah, so let me just take you through the process and see how this works out. I'm really hoping it makes a difference, because it's not like the biggest space on earth. I already have 2 shelves like these ones, and they don't really sort me that much. They sort me, yeah, for spices and everything, but I need to find a different setup for everything. So I literally want this kitchen to remain like this. Like, that is that, by the way. I need to clean that. I need to clean the walls. I don't know if you guys can see. The walls are a bit dirty. They have stains like this. I need to clean that. Underneath there, I need to clean the webs. I need to clean that shelf, which is a mixture of paint and dirt. I need to clean under the chimney, remove these shopping bags. There's a lot of dirt down there. I don't know if you guys can see that. I need to assemble my cookware. I need to remove them here. I need to clean them. I need to throw away this box. I need to clean that. I need to clean the walls. You see, that is dirt, I think. And it's not coming off. Dirt and oil, splatter oil. I need to do all that. Okay. So I'd really love it to remain like this, so that when I want to access my oven, it becomes easier. I can access it all the time. I'm not sure it's possible, but it also makes it easier for me to clean the oven, because it gets hard to clean when the space is so squeezed. So yeah, I need to do all that. I need to dispose this bucket. It has a lot of plastics that I'm not really using. I need to throw them. I need to do something with this bucket. I want to do that. Let me just fix the shelves and then see if it's going to give me space. So, this is the currently the mess that I'm having, because we have just fixed the shelves. Okay, so this is what I was saying. I wanted a shelf here. It's not like the perfect, but I just wanted something here. I know they don't match, but I'll figure that situation later on in life. And then there's this one. This one is the one I really wanted. See how big it is? I'm thinking it's going to be big enough to fit the sufurias. So now I have this mess to clean, all right, and organize. See that? So that's what I want to do, because baby is asleep. I couldn't take video while he was drilling because baby couldn't let me not hold him. So let me try and fix the situation shape like right now. Yeah, I'm going to use a dry piece of cloth to remove the dust, because that is the materials, the fabrics coming out. Because if I use wet, it's going to be a mess. So see the walls, how now they look pretty. I'll just show you the end product once I'm done. So now I need to clean this area. I need to move my cooker.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors.
Progress. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. Yep, so after I've cleaned that chimney area, so we finally done. What happened? I cleaned, and then I couldn't take the rest of the video while I was cleaning because it was late and I was in a hurry. But I know you guys got the glimpse and the stress that I had and everything that I was doing. So this is our final result. My dishes, when you enter through the corner, you come, then you're going to meet these jerry cans right here, which I'm also still want to find a place to put them. Then I moved my buckets from here to that place so that I can have space while standing here. I want to stand here, so that's why I want to remove these jerry cans right here. So I need a space to stand here. Then what else? The bucket that was there in that corner, I placed it under the chimney right there with a lot of water. Those are all drinking bottles that I rarely use, so I put them there. The trays, the chopping boards, it's easy for me to pull them out. Then my pans are here. Then my gas, like the 2 gases here and another one under there. Don't ask me why I have so many gas. This is just my bags, my shopping bags. I disposed most of them, so I'm left with a few. And then the talk of the day, yo, what really made me have an improvement? Ta-da! I did finish with my shelves. See, I really wanted this shelf because of these lids and these sufurias so that I can use them. So I put all my sufurias and my basins on top, and then I put my dish rack up there. I want to change this dish rack and get a rectangular one so that it can fit there. I don't even know if it will fit, but that's the idea, so that it can fit here. Those are my plastics, my plastic dishes, the spoons, yeah, and my shenanigans. So all the dishes in this house were cleaned thanks to my hubby. He did that today because yesterday I couldn't. Yeah, so this was done today. And then This is the whole shelf situation. The big spoons are there, the small ones are here. The top shelf has the ungas and all that, and then this has some soaps and some kitchen utilities. But yeah, this is the final result. Let me see if I can enter through this angle. So you enter, that's just a tablecloth right there. You enter, rice cooker, my cooker, I just cooked something, my pans, yes, just like this. So like, it's clean, this space is clean, the walls are clean. I feel so good, like it feels so breathtaking. So that place could not get cleaner more than that. So that is just paint. I washed it, I took off the grease, and that is paint rubbed off. The walls are practically very clean now. I know they might not look so on camera, but they're clean. That is red paint underneath the green, that's why it looks like it's dust. But yeah, now I've explained all that. So yeah, I did that. So that is part of cleaning my house. So I started with the kitchen and rearranging the kitchen. So I'm going to move to the next project soon. I'll let you guys know. So to me, this is a very big achievement actually, and it's very interesting. It's very, I mean, like, it's giving me good vibes because now I have space to do a lot of things which I wanted, and I like it. It is simple and organized the way I would like it to be. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, this cleaning video, and then we're going to go to the next dirty thing and clean and deep clean. So yeah, see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.